All right, welcome. So you can see that in this video, I've already set up my arrows so that they can be shooting towards my targets, but they have the possibility of missing their target. They don't have that heat-seeking behavior that you might want some of your animations to have. And so again, as they're fired towards a fixed destination, and they will continue to travel along that velocity until they reach that destination or hit a target. I want to show you here how I can set up heat-seeking arrows as well. So to do this, I've created a very simple extra property here that I'm calling heat seeking. That's going to be a Boolean, and it's just simply going to be set when I create my arrow, either heat seeking or not. That way I can have both kinds of arrows in my game. And then I've just got the extra little bit of logic I've added to my arrow here. If I'm heat seeking, what do? I update my velocity every tick. Instead of having my velocity set when I am created in my constructor only, this will update that velocity every tick so that I'm moving towards the target, even if that target is moving. I can go over here and I can set the heat-seeking nature of my arrows that are fired from my tower. I chose not to do this in my archers because archers are usually shooting at towers, and towers are not moving. They don't usually move, so I don't have to worry about them heat-seeking. They, once fired, they are going to reach their destination. But my archers and my footmen are moving, so the arrows that are fired from my tower, I am going to set them to be true. So now let's check out the arrows that are fired, and we can see that they indeed do change their direction and their trajectory as they go to always strike the footman. And once he's gone, let's see again, yes, indeed. Again, they'll change. We can see them sort of slowly rotating there as they go towards the archer. Now in your games, you might want to have these kind of heat-seeking missiles as well, but I should note that heat-seeking missiles are kind of hard to avoid. In fact, they're impossible to avoid by definition. And so often, if you're putting these into, say, for instance, a bullet hell game, those are not really the best types of missiles. You want the ones that go to a fixed trajectory, but you might want to have a variety of kind of missiles in your game like this, some that heat-seek and some that don't. So this video was just a quick introduction on how you can put some heat-seeking on your ammunition. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.